Spreadsheets are more than just data and formulas. They're kind of like a living model of a business's process, a layer of logic and relationships. And at Glide, we've always helped teams bring that layer to life. But we've realized that even with the power of no code, building software is still hard. It still takes time. And of course, a whole load of things have changed with AI. Today, pretty much anyone can generate software without understanding a thing about how it works. And it's magical, but businesses don't run on magic. They run on systems that they can actually see into and inspect. And so we thought, what if you didn't have to choose? What if you could combine the power of generative AI with the visibility and the control of spreadsheets? We've been busy building a new Glide for the AI age. You still start with your spreadsheet, but in a whole new way. When you upload your spreadsheet, Glide starts to analyze and extract the real systems inside of it. The structure, the rules, the formulas, even the visual aspects of how the spreadsheet looks. And before anything is built, you get a plan. You choose and refine what to build, and then we build it with you. You can generate just by chatting, but you can inspect parts of the UI and prompt the agent to work on just that particular bit. You can also trace where that data is coming from. And in fact, when you open the data editor, you can inspect the calculations and even prompt new calculated columns. And when you're ready, you publish. What began as a spreadsheet becomes a surface that your team can see, use, and shape. And the dashboard is no longer just a place for editing, it's where your team launches and uses the apps that you build, the apps that run your business. Over time, those small systems start to add up, one spreadsheet at a time. So we are just getting started here, folks. We are slowly inviting people to the new Glide. If you'd like to be one of them, join the waitlist.